Right, good morning, welcome back. Every once in a while you have to step away from the motorcycle maintenance and take a moment to maintain the machines that help you to maintain the bikes. And in this case it's my lathe. This little hobby lathe has been serving me faithfully for many years and it has now started to suffer. And there are 3 little jobs I need to deal with so it continues to serve me doing the work that I love doing. I'll show you. Right, firstly, this is the lever that engages the power feed, and as you can see that needs dealing with. Shouldn't be like that. Secondly, this bolt is a replacement for one of these, which used to be the way to lock the tailstock on the slide bed. But when the handle itself broke off here at the base, I put a bolt in and now I have to use this spanner. And as you can see, that's a faff and a fiddle. I'd rather be able to grab hold of it with my fingers and do it up when I need to. So that, in some way, needs a handle on it. And finally, it's this. As you can see, there's loads of wear on it. It just keeps turning and eventually that's going to snap off. So I think that needs rescuing as well. So that's the task, 3 little jobs to give my lathe some love. Let's crack on. Right, let's check first if that is just loose on its shaft. No, it's the shaft inside that's loose. Let's find out what that's about. Right, and that's a little screw. Let's whip that out. Right, that was an easy fix. Power feed lever wobbling around now, nice and slick. Just a loose grub screw, vibrated out a little bit over time. But the next 2 are going to be a little bit more involved. Here we are, nice and solid, and no more faffing around with the spanner to lock my tailstock. Now finally the tool post. Now this little handle that nips it up so it doesn't move, over the years it's worn wobbly because it's a shaft with an M6 thread screwing it into the block. Clearly not up to the job, as it wouldn't have gone like that. So there's no point in machining another one and replacing it back to original so it's solid again, because it'll wear wobbly in no time yet again. You might as well take the opportunity for an upgrade. So as we've got the welder out, why not we just weld it into place? That'll fix it. There. Take good care of your stuff, and if you can, always try and upgrade it rather than just repair it. I'll see you next time.